Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue of the game, the Apex Legend. So the matchmaking is not working in Apex, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. Now first of all, make sure to check your internet connection because this issue commonly occurs because of the internet connection. So make sure to provide a strong and stable internet connection. Secondly, make sure to check the server status of the game and make sure to use the official website for accurate server status. Here you will get the server status info about all the games as well as the services provided by the EA Sports. This issue also occurs because of your location, and to overcome this, what many players do, they use VPN, and if you're using a VPN, then make sure to disable it. And as I told you, the following issue also occurs because of the zone, then you have to keep some patience. Now still, if your game is not working, then make sure to clear the cache data of the game, and for that open EA application, then go to help, go to app recovery and simply click on the option of clear cache. So these were some ways by which you can fix your issue. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.